So my wife has this Mini Cooper, I think it's 2010 or maybe 2012, not 100% sure, but we just had the clutch replaced. And since then, this car's been doing some crazy things. Well, let's see, we got a bunch of dash lights on. The turn signals won't cancel after you've turned your corner. You gotta manually turn them off. Windshield wiper blades come on sporadically, but the most concerning of them all is that sometimes it just wants to turn to the right on its own. It'll pull fairly hard, not at high speeds, but at slow speeds. Let me see if I can show you. Look at that, it's just turning on its own. Turning, not touching it. So I straighten it out. This is only when you're going under 40. Okay, I can feel it pulling right now. I get to a straight piece of road here. And I'll let go. This is while accelerating. Okay, it seems fine now. Maybe I'm going faster, that's why. Let me start to slow down here. Okay, foot just off the gas. Look at that. It just all of a sudden wants to turn, and that's without being on the gas or brake. Okay, now let's see, we're going uphill. Doing 43. Okay, I'm gonna do around 40, 39, 38. No, not doing it now. Very sporadically decides it's going to start pulling to the right. And it's not anything to do with brakes or accelerating. But it only seems to happen when you're doing under 40 kilometers an hour, either coasting or accelerating, or just maintaining like a speed. That's when it wants to all of a sudden turn. Okay, now I'm flying down here. Let's try it. Let me go around the corner here. Also, the turn signal cancellation is not auto canceling. I gotta turn it off manually. Okay, let's see if we can have it backed up again here. No. And I know what's gonna happen because I can feel the steering wheel just really start to pull. Again, that's just coasting. Okay, accelerating slightly. Not happening now. Just that one, it only just did that one time, and it happened to be right on a corner, which is a coincidence. No, it's not going to do it anymore.